Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Market Analysis. Today, we will look into the Nifty Auto Index, which has given a breakout. So, if you see, the all-time high is 12,000, and it is now currently at 10,300 levels. It has made a falling wedge pattern in weekly, and then it has broken out, and it has made a huge Marubozu candle in the weekly time frame. Let me show you the one-day time frame. Yes. See, guys, this is for today. So personally, I will look for breakout above 11,118, 11,018. Above that, it will start flying. So this will be the first resistance. Personally, now 10,324. Next target will be 11,000. This is day chart. Next will be 11,227. Next 11,663, and close to the 12,000. So let's look at Shockley Land. Yes, the same pattern. I'll show you the weekly chart. See, guys, it is like a rounding bottom, falling wedge, breakout. So personally, I will be looking for a huge breakout above 166, which is going to be a multi-year breakout. Stock will start flying after that. So now we can start accumulating on this to slowly start moving. The first resistance is 133, maybe in a couple of sessions or a week, and 166 to 170, a short term to medium term, close to 6 months to 1.5 years. I mean, a longer time frame I had given, but maybe based upon the bull run, the auto will got on next move. So this is for Ashok Leyland, Bajaj Auto. So weekly. So please keep this in radar. So now it is 4,067, 4,070. The all-time high is 4,200. Above that, it will start flying. So the first target now will be 4,200. Above 4,200, it may give a breakout, a retest, and then start flying. So keep this in radar. So RSI is supporting. Balakrishna has already gave a breakout. See, guys, it made a consolidation around this area, and then it breakout, started flying. This is weekly chart. This is the one-day chart. Look at the move, guys. It is like a rounding bottom. It broke that, started flying. Bharat Forge. Let me show you the weekly chart. Yes, it is on the verge of breakout. I mean, these are huge breakouts. It is already in a bullish run now. So please keep this in radar or start accumulating slowly now. This will be a huge breakout after 774. So short term to medium term, I can give at least 10 to 15% up move on that. Eicher Motors. Show you Tata Motors. Yes, Tata Motors. Yes, Tata Motors has made a flat pattern, and then it has made a breakout. So above 333, 335, I mean like 340, The first target will be 360 and the second target will be 377 and 436. So it's time for accumulation. So again, these are all for short term to medium term, meaning 6 months to 1.5 years. Motherson swimming. Look at this, guys. It is almost close to the breakout. It is in a bullish run. So it is making a pattern inside a pattern and it starts moving. So already these are all in bullish run. So above 256 to 260, there's a huge run. It's going to be a 52-week high. Also a multi-year breakout. The last time it touched was 2017 December. So after almost three and a half years, it is going to move past that. Huge volumes will be getting in. See, look at the volumes now. The volumes are supporting. So please note, auto index is on breakout now. So if you like this information is useful, please like and subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks, guys.